I've never seen the way anyone dances on rooftops like she does. Perfumed with frankincense and myrrh, she performs the I Don't Care ensemble. The moves that slap, pain shaped her, loathed and bathed her. Her skin catches sunlight, waves crashing, horizons meet the sky, perplexed beneath the roots of the trees. She jiggles, wiggles like no one's watching, like I've never seen her this happy. Her smile radiates moonlight. You never ever want to see that smile upside down. Moving so angelic, so damn carefree, the cacophony of birds whistling as she leaps so gracefully. Gracefully knows her. Tenderness, her middle name. She's not a caricature for your amusement. Amusement seeking where to hide in her presence. Eyes pinned on her, people stare in awe. Majestic has never fitted anyone so well. Majestic, too less of a word to describe her. A visionary she is. She's an epitome of light, a whisper into the night, so the audacity to turn your head the slightest inch away from her. Look at her, a symbol of true beauty. Juxtaposes nothing of what she went through. Grew up a farm girl, herded cattle and guided sheep to the farm, but never ever got a chance to guide her heart. Always a doormat for you to step all over. You couldn't even spare her face, maybe the nose or the eyes. Diabolic anger like she was just a toy to be thrown away. Catastrophic thunder, is that listen, is that here? Sounds of echo of an apology, but just another lame excuse. When will you come to your senses? Why must you treat everyone this way? She was just a farm girl. Now dances on rooftops like another day comes and goes. Like her heart might just be a walking doormat or a pillow made of stone. But when she dances, all her pain assemblies at her command. Like attention means shut the front door cause she just don't care. She's drifted with the wind, taken to the shore, but she ain't selling seashells. She's not going to come back to you. She knows her roots. Never forget where you came from, Mom always says. Because black babies know that when black mamas do something that heavy, they ain't kidding. She's once laid herself to the slaughter. Scattered ashes was unhealed, but it ripped off, clenched fists. Because you bathed her, loathed and hurt her. And she's never did something so heavy. So you can laugh all you want, for all she cares, she'll let God intervene. But for now, she's got to breathe. Look deeper than the surface. Look at what true beauty really looks like. It starts from the within. It starts from the within. It starts from the within. The soul.